If you are a senior living with diabetes, have you ever wondered why your blood sugar stays high even when you're eating carefully, taking your medication, and doing everything your doctor recommends? Many people over 45 feel frustrated watching their A1C barely move, despite their best efforts. What most seniors are never told is that blood sugar control is not just about carbs or insulin. It is also deeply connected to minerals inside your body that quietly regulate how sugar enters your cells. When these minerals are missing, glucose stays trapped in your bloodstream, damaging nerves, eyes, kidneys, and memory. But when the right minerals are restored, blood sugar often becomes easier to control, sometimes naturally improving A1C over time. As we age, mineral absorption drops significantly. Stomach acid weakens, medications interfere, and decades of processed foods leave hidden deficiencies. That is why seniors with diabetes are far more likely to struggle than younger adults. Today, you are going to learn about the first of 4 essential minerals that play a powerful role in blood sugar balance, insulin sensitivity, and long-term A1C control. These minerals work gently, steadily, and safely when used correctly, especially for adults over 45. The first essential mineral is magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most overlooked nutrients in diabetes management, yet it is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. One of its most critical roles is helping insulin unlock the door of your cells so glucose can move out of the bloodstream and into muscles and tissues where it can be used for energy. Without enough magnesium, insulin signals weaken, and sugar lingers in the blood far longer than it should. Research has shown that people with type 2 diabetes often have significantly lower magnesium levels than those without diabetes. This deficiency becomes worse with age because kidneys excrete magnesium more easily, especially when blood sugar runs high. That means high glucose causes magnesium loss, and magnesium loss worsens blood sugar, creating a vicious cycle that many seniors never escape. For seniors, low magnesium often shows up as leg cramps at night, poor sleep, fatigue, constipation, irregular heartbeat, or stubborn insulin resistance. You might not realize these symptoms are connected to blood sugar at all, yet studies consistently show that improving magnesium intake can help lower fasting blood glucose and improve insulin sensitivity over time. Magnesium also calms the nervous system. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which pushes blood sugar higher. When magnesium levels improve, stress hormones tend to settle, sleep improves, and nighttime glucose spikes often become less severe. This is especially important for seniors who experience higher morning blood sugar readings, often called the dawn phenomenon. Food sources of magnesium include leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds, avocados, black beans, and whole grains. However, many seniors do not absorb magnesium efficiently from food alone. Cooking methods, digestive changes, and medications like diuretics or acid reducers reduce absorption even further. That is why magnesium deficiency is so common in older adults with diabetes. Supplemental magnesium can be helpful, but form matters. Magnesium glycinate and magnesium citrate are generally better absorbed and gentler on digestion than magnesium oxide. Seniors should start low and increase slowly, as too much magnesium can cause loose stools. Even small improvements, however, can support better glucose control over time. Beyond blood sugar, magnesium protects the heart, supports nerve health, and may reduce the risk of diabetic complications like neuropathy and high blood pressure. It also plays a role in maintaining healthy bones, which is critical for seniors managing diabetes-related fracture risks. One important thing to understand is that magnesium does not work overnight like medication. It works gradually, restoring balance inside cells. Over weeks and months, many seniors notice steadier blood sugar readings, fewer spikes after meals, and improved A1C numbers at their next lab test. If you have diabetes and feel like your efforts are not paying off, magnesium may be one of the missing links, but it is only the beginning. Another mineral works closely with magnesium, directly affecting insulin itself and how your body responds to sugar. In the next, you will discover a trace mineral that acts like an insulin amplifier, helping insulin work more effectively without forcing the pancreas to work harder. Many seniors have never even heard of it, yet it may be one of the most powerful natural tools for lowering blood sugar and A1C safely with age. If magnesium helps insulin open the door, the next essential mineral helps insulin speak more clearly. This second mineral is chromium, a trace mineral required in very small amounts but with an outsized impact on blood sugar control. Chromium enhances insulin signaling, allowing glucose to move from the bloodstream into cells more efficiently. Without enough chromium, insulin becomes less effective, even if the body is producing enough of it. As people age, chromium levels decline steadily. Highly processed foods strip chromium from the diet, and many seniors consume fewer whole grains and natural foods that once supplied this mineral. Additionally, chronic high blood sugar increases chromium loss through urine, making deficiency more common in those who need it most. Chromium works by improving insulin receptor activity. Think of insulin as a key and the insulin receptor as a lock. Chromium helps shape the lock so the key fits properly. When chromium is low, insulin struggles to bind effectively, leading to insulin resistance and elevated blood glucose levels. Over time, this contributes directly to higher A1°C readings. Clinical studies have shown that chromium supplementation can help lower fasting blood sugar, improve post-meal glucose spikes, and reduce A1°C in people with type 2 diabetes. The effects are not dramatic overnight, but they are consistent when chromium is used correctly and paired with a balanced diet. Seniors may notice subtle signs of chromium deficiency, including unexplained fatigue, sugar cravings, difficulty losing weight, and worsening blood sugar control despite medication. These symptoms are often dismissed as normal aging, but they frequently reflect impaired glucose metabolism. Food sources of chromium include broccoli, green beans, whole grains, nuts, eggs, and lean meats. However, soil depletion has significantly reduced chromium content in modern foods. Cooking and processing further diminish its availability, which is why deficiency is common even among those who eat relatively well. Supplemental chromium is most often taken as chromium picolinate, which is well absorbed and widely studied. Typical doses used in research range from 200 to 1,000 micrograms per day. Seniors should always start on the lower end and consult their healthcare provider, especially if they are taking insulin or blood sugar-lowering medications, as chromium may enhance their effects. Chromium also helps reduce sugar cravings by stabilizing blood glucose swings. Many seniors find that once their blood sugar becomes steadier, their desire for sweets diminishes naturally. This can lead to better dietary choices without feeling deprived or constantly hungry. Beyond glucose control, chromium supports healthy cholesterol levels, which is important for seniors with diabetes who face a higher risk of heart disease. Improved insulin sensitivity often leads to better triglyceride levels and healthier HDL cholesterol over time. It is important to understand that chromium does not replace medication. Instead, it supports the body's natural insulin function, often making medications work more effectively. Many healthcare providers now recognize chromium as a supportive nutrient in comprehensive diabetes care for older adults. When magnesium and chromium work together, the effects can be synergistic. Magnesium improves insulin sensitivity at the cellular level, while chromium enhances insulin signaling. Together, they create a more favorable environment for blood sugar stability and gradual A1°C improvement. However, blood sugar control is not just about insulin and glucose transport. Inflammation and oxidative stress also play a major role in insulin resistance, especially in seniors. That brings us to the third essential mineral, one that helps protect insulin-producing cells in the pancreas while reducing inflammation throughout the body. In the next part, you will learn about a mineral that acts as a powerful antioxidant, supports immune function, and may help preserve pancreatic health as you age. This mineral is often overlooked, yet it plays a critical role in long-term diabetes management and protection against complications. The third essential mineral for seniors with diabetes focuses on protection rather than stimulation. This mineral is zinc. Zinc plays a critical role in insulin production, storage, and release from the pancreas. It also helps protect insulin-producing beta cells from oxidative damage, which becomes increasingly important with age and chronic high blood sugar. Zinc is required for insulin to be properly stored in the pancreas. Without enough zinc, insulin becomes less stable and less effective. Over time, this can contribute to worsening blood sugar control and increased insulin resistance. Seniors are particularly vulnerable because zinc absorption declines with age, and many medications interfere with its uptake. Common signs of zinc deficiency include slow wound healing, frequent infections, reduced taste or smell, hair thinning, and fatigue. For seniors with diabetes, poor wound healing and increased infection risk are especially concerning, making zinc an essential nutrient for overall health and glucose management. Studies have shown that zinc supplementation can help lower fasting blood glucose and improve A1C in people with diabetes. Zinc also reduces inflammation, which is a major driver of insulin resistance. By calming inflammatory pathways, zinc helps insulin work more efficiently throughout the body. Food sources of zinc include pumpkin seeds, oysters, beef, chickpeas, lentils, and eggs. However, plant-based zinc is less bioavailable, meaning it is harder for the body to absorb. Seniors who eat less meat or have digestive issues may struggle to maintain adequate zinc levels from food alone. Supplemental zinc is commonly available as zinc gluconate or zinc picolinate. Typical doses range from 15 to 30 milligrams per day. Seniors should avoid excessive doses over long periods, as too much zinc can interfere with copper absorption. Balance is key. The fourth essential mineral ties everything together by supporting blood sugar stability, reducing inflammation, and improving overall metabolic health. This mineral is selenium. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress caused by high blood sugar. It also supports thyroid function, which plays a role in metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Low selenium levels have been associated with increased insulin resistance and higher diabetes risk. Selenium helps regulate enzymes that control oxidative stress, reducing damage to blood vessels, nerves, and organs commonly affected by diabetes. Food sources of selenium include Brazil nuts, eggs, seafood, and whole grains. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts can provide a full day's selenium requirement. However, soil content varies widely, and many seniors do not consume selenium-rich foods regularly. When selenium, zinc, chromium, and magnesium are all present in adequate amounts, the body is better equipped to manage blood sugar naturally. These minerals do not force blood sugar down. Instead, they restore balance, support insulin function, and protect the body from long-term damage. For seniors, consistency matters more than intensity. Small, steady improvements in mineral status can lead to better fasting glucose, fewer spikes after meals, improved energy, and gradual A1C reduction over time. These changes may not be dramatic week to week, but they often show up clearly in lab results after several months. Always talk to your healthcare provider before adding supplements, especially if you are taking diabetes medications. Minerals work best as part of a comprehensive plan that includes balanced meals, gentle movement, stress management, and regular monitoring. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe for more senior-focused diabetes guidance that is simple, practical, and science-backed. Your body has an incredible ability to heal and stabilize when given the right tools, even after years of high blood sugar. Sometimes, the missing piece is not another medication, but restoring what your body quietly lost along the way.